Hi there, my name's Haley. I work for the Breast Form Store, and I am here to demonstrate the Divine Collection Venus Breast Enhancer on our good friend here. So we took his measurements, and he is a 35 under bust and a 37.5 over bust. So what we want to do is we just want to see what the Venus looks like when it is actually on one's chest. So as you can see, this is his flat chest, and then this is with the Venus Breast Enhancer on it. So there is definitely an increase, but it's a very subtle increase. This particular model that we have right now is the medium nipple, and it is the color chocolate on the vanilla skin tone. And so with the Venus Breast Enhancers, you have size decisions to make regarding the nipple size. The Venus Breast Enhancer itself is only the one size, and so you get to choose which nipple you want on it. And so this is the medium. And then there's also small and large, and you can even order it with no nipple if you prefer something even more subtle. Ooh, we could do ASMR with this. I don't know the best way to hold this. I don't know what else to say. Wait. Bye. Yeah. This looks natural. So natural. Yes, here we go. Here we go.
Don't look so happy.